Okay folks, so that was the madmax 2 museum. To be honest, it's worth a look in for $10, but don't get too excited. I don't know why they won't let you take photos. I mean, everything you see in there is probably available on the internet. Right, the next thing we're going to do is try and have a look at the Mundi lookout, and I'll try and get the drone up in the air for you. I'm not sure if you can see it on the GoPro there. That seems to be a tagline of mine. I'm not sure if you can see it on the GoPro. Off in the distance you got a great big wind farm. Alright, up on the foot pegs is always the best way. Okay, let's go and head out to the Mundi lookout point. Wow, it's already 30 degrees even though it's overcast. I know on the video it probably doesn't look that warm, but sweat is pouring down my back at the moment. It's quite humid. Alright, 4 minutes to the Mundi lookout. Hopefully we can get the drone out and whiz the drone up. A little bit better. I'm getting a breeze through the RST jacket. I've undone the zips here, and just letting a little bit of airflow in. Alright, I'm going to conserve the battery for a minute or two. Stay tuned. So here we are at Mundi lookout. I wonder what that stands for. It'd be interesting to know what Mundi stands for. Mundi probably means something like bloody hell, that's a long way. Alright, well, quite a cool lookout place. We'll pull up, get a photograph, and I might even see if I can throw the drone up. G'day guys. Okay, that was Mundi Lookout. Not much to see apart from a whole lot of desert and scrubland. And had the place to myself for a while, and then 3 carloads of families with screaming kids rocked up, and I think each family had about 3 or 4 kids themselves. It never ceases to amaze me. You have one and learn your lesson from that. Why the heck do you keep spitting them out like you're shelling peas? Anyway, each to their own. As an old mate of mine used to say, kids are like farts. You can only just stand your own. Anyway, let's head back towards civilization. Stay tuned. Well, there you go, guys. That was Silverton. I'm glad I came out here. It's a long way to come. The museum was definitely worth a look. $10. I mean, the guys are a long way from anywhere, so I guess you've got to admire their dedication and you've got to support those guys. A quick byway to the Silverton sign. Would I come back? Absolutely not. I don't see the point of visiting this place twice, other than the pub and the museum. There's not a lot going on here really, but I'm glad I came. So I'm going to head back to Broken Hill. I was going to go out and see these sculptures, but you know what, I'm a bit over it now. I just want to head back down. I'm going to Mildura, which is about 3.5 hours ride south from Broken Hill. I'm going to stop the night in Mildura, and then the day after I'm going to head back to Dave and Claire's place in Adelaide to spend New Year's Eve with them. And then finally, New Year's Day, I'm going to jump back on the bike, and I've got a couple of choices. I'm either going to ride all the way back down to my place in Eden Park, which is north of Melbourne, or excuse me, I'm going to stop at a Chuka for a night in a Chuka. It just depends how I'm feeling. At the moment I'm really ready to get home, but never say never. Alright guys, not much more to see on this road really, apart from the desolate wasteland that is madmax. Stay tuned, I'll catch up with you a little bit later.